Namaste. So going. This warming pranayama sequence could be practiced before your asana or after your asana towards the meditation or during the colder months. It's the middle of winter here in New Zealand, and this morning, although beautiful, lovely sunny day, it's quite chilly. And I do this practice myself and teach this to my students, especially to increase the heat and the activity of the brain, as well as to stimulate and awaken the inner stabilizing muscles of the core. So this is a combination of two breathing patterns, the Ujjayi pranayama and the Simhasa. And then also combination of two types of retention, the Parakumbhaka, the inhalation or the retention at the top of the inhalation, as well as the retention of the exhalation. Right. So, if you can't do the Ujjayi Pranayama, just do your natural breath. And the Simhasa is simple to perform, exhaling through the mouth. You can move your tongue side to side and then really exhale all the air out. So the idea is to really empty the body until you feel the inner core hugs the spine, as well as the inner stabilizing muscles there, the internal obliques, as well as the pelvic floor. Yeah, they will gather to the midline, and we're going to hold that exhalation outside as well. All right. So let's do 3 or 4 sets. Yeah, I'll lead the first one, and then you can explore this on your own when you practice it yourself. Okay. Good. Yeah, Ujjayi or natural breath, inhaling. And hold the breath inside. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the mouth. Exhale. All the way down to the pit of the hips. Close the mouth and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale Ujjayi or your natural breath. Exhale naturally out. All right. That's one round, yeah? And then you can recover a couple of breaths. All right. Second set. Breathing in Ujjayi or your natural breath. Stop. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simhasa. Continue exhaling. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling. Exhaling. Good. One more. Yeah, but first recover. All right. Ujjayi. Breath in. Hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ujjayi, breath in. And easy breath out. Beautiful. All right. So notice its warming effect. Right away, it has this immediate warming effect to the body. And not to mention, the exhale retention, after the Simhasa Pranayama. What it does, it activates the deep, stabilizing muscles of the TVA, internal obliques, even your pelvic floor, the diaphragm, and the thin muscles behind you, the multifidus. They work collectively in keeping your core engaged as you hold the retention outside. And the Ujjayi Pranayama, what it does, you increase the warming effect of the breath, since you are drawing the breath using the back of the throat, the muscles of the throat, and that, in effect, warms up the inner body as well. All right, so you can explore this in the future. You can increase the length of the retention, but of course, no strain, or you can decrease if that is too long for you. How many? 4, or you can go as many as 8 or 9 repetitions or sets. And then right away, you're going to feel this warming and actually it's energizing effect to the body. So you can now progress to the practice of Asana, or after your Asana, to cool the body, not to cool, but to level the energy down after your prana or your Asana practice towards your meditation. Good.